Stop walking right now, because what you are about to hear may completely change how you think about staying healthy after 60. For decades, walking has been promoted as the ultimate exercise for seniors. Doctors recommend it, and most people believe it's the smartest option. But new research from the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that isometric exercises reduced cardiovascular risk by an incredible 36% more than walking. That is not a small improvement. It's a massive shift in how we should think about aging and fitness. Imagine spending 45 minutes walking outside compared to just 15 minutes using a wall in your living room and getting better results. Research from the Mayo Clinic showed wall-based exercises lowered systolic blood pressure by 8.2 mmHg, while walking lowered it by only 3.1. That is nearly triple the benefit in far less time, and that is just the beginning. The science does not lie. What makes this discovery so powerful is how it affects balance and fall prevention, a top concern for those over 60. A Japanese study of 2,000 adults found that regular wall exercises led to 42% fewer falls than walking alone. The secret is isometric tension. By holding against a wall, your muscles contract powerfully without moving. This creates deep muscle activation that walking can't match, strengthening bones and protecting joints. Harvard researchers found one simple wall exercise reduced biological aging markers by nearly 5 years. That's 5 years younger at a cellular level from an exercise that takes less than 2 minutes. This isn't fitness hype. It's measurable science that challenges everything we knew about aging. Start your journey today.
One of the most underestimated wall exercises is the simple calf raise. It may look easy, but it delivers powerful results for your health. Studies show that regular calf strengthening can improve ankle stability by 28%, which is essential for walking safely and preventing falls. Your calves act like a second heart, pumping blood back to your upper body. Research shows these exercises can improve circulation by 31%. For maximum results, use slow, controlled lowering. This eccentric movement can increase muscle repair and protein synthesis by 47%. Pair calf raises with wall marches to target hip flexors. This improves your posture and restores a natural, confident walking pattern. Simple movements, massive results. Start your wall routine today for better balance and longevity. Upper body posture and shoulder health decline silently with age, often leading to pain, stiffness, and breathing difficulties. Research shows that over 70% of adults over 60 suffer from rounded shoulders and excessive upper back curvature. Wall slides retrain the shoulder blades to move correctly along the rib cage, restoring mobility and strength. Studies report improvements of nearly 20 degrees in shoulder range of motion within just 4 weeks of consistent practice. Balance isn't lost permanently with age, it simply becomes untrained. Single-leg wall stands provide a safe and effective solution. Scientific reviews confirm that balance exercises reduce fall risk by more than 20% and improve your body's proprioception. These simple wall-supported movements retrain the nervous system, restore confidence, and dramatically lower the risk of falls. Few exercises deliver as much cardiovascular and muscular benefit as the wall sit. It's a powerhouse for heart health. Studies in the British Journal of Sports Medicine revealed that wall sits lowered systolic blood pressure by over 8 millimeters of mercury. This outperformed running, cycling, and walking, making it a top non-medication tool for your heart. Beyond heart health, wall sits build the leg strength essential for standing, climbing stairs, and rising from chairs. Research shows that isometric exercises increase muscle fiber density more than dynamic movements in older adults. Wall squats build on this, adding controlled movement while maintaining safety and joint protection. This can increase leg strength by over 30% and significantly improve your daily mobility and independence. Retraining these patterns makes everyday tasks easier and safer as you age. Start your wall sit today.